Hey, that's my dog. Black one, my dog. You sure? Now he chilling. On this side we have Jake, the old head. Have two dogs. Which one's gonna win? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Arriba! Lurks. Look at that dumb dog. Battle of the Dogs, episode 2. We have our opponent Drake. Then we have Junior, the good dog. The dogs now face again. Arriba! Oh, shoots. One versus the other. See what? Oh. One fierce bark. But was that bark loud enough to scare him? No, it will not. Arriba! Episode 3. Let's see what happens today. Yes, sir. Oh. Ha 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 ha. This is my dog versus that dumb dog over there. Oh, had that juke move from Madden. Oh, what are they doing back there? Holy. Junior comes back to sit down. Now Junior tries to attack, misses. Then Junior does his thing. Arriba, says Junior. Next episode 4, I think. Yeah, episode 4. We just sit here and wait for them to fight. Oh, there they go. What are they doing? Oh, there they go. Drop it up, son. Drop it up, son. Episode 5. Here we go. Well, I shouldn't even say episode. It's more like part 5. Two dogs fight. We just sit here and wait for them to fight. Sorry, 30 seconds. Hurry up. Oh, up. I think there's a fight going on. They're taking so long. Up. Episode 6. Them fighting. Oh! One ain't enough, need two. That makes the ace with the dudes. Facts, you ugly too. Oh, they're fighting you. Oh, shoots. Damn, it's the ace with the dudes. Today's March the 9th. Episode 7. Arriba! Episode 7 may be the last episode. May not be the last episode. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Up, I think. They one ain't enough, need two. Damn, Mr. Ace with the dudes. Up. Worlds collide. Oh, last episode, final part 8 of Dragon Ball Z. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Cause, never mind, you won't find out because it's the last episode. Come on, my baby. My boy. Go. It's my baby. You can't mess with him. Hee hee ha ha. My baby. Hey. Look at my baby. My dog. That's my N-word. Alright, last episode. Bye guys. This is the last episode of Track.